Hi loves, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I am taking you guys on our new apartment tour. I know some of you guys on Instagram have been waiting for this, so make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up, and if you want to leave any comments down below, make sure you do so and I will eventually respond. But yeah, today is official house tour. We're super excited. We've been settled in for about a week and a half, 2 weeks now, and I'm so excited to share this video with you guys. Anyways, so let's get right into the video. And also, before we get started, if you haven't already hit that subscribe button to this channel, then make sure you do so, because I have so many home apartment decor videos for you guys, cleaning videos for you guys. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'm not too sure if I'm going to upload this on my main channel, Shakara Anderson. If you are watching it on this channel, then I made that decision to go ahead and upload it to this channel. But also I have started a new channel where you'll also find this video, because I figured this is just a great blank canvas to start. But I will be having a decor clean with me channel, so make sure you go subscribe to that channel so you can see everything that comes with decorating this new place and cleaning and just everything about that, because that's something that I love. But anyways, let's get right into this house tour. To kick off the house tour, I'm going to show you our entryway. Right there to the left is our front door, and then when you walk in, we have this little nook here. I think I'm going to put an entryway table there and a mirror or something like that. So yeah, if you have any suggestions, leave a comment down below. But then we have this walkway. This is where you're going to walk to our coat closet, and then you can walk down the hallway to get to the rest of the things. But like I said, I'm going to put an entryway table here, I believe, or a sit-in bench to put shoes on. I don't know, you guys. Leave some suggestions down below, but I will be making a video when I do decide what I'm going to do with this. So make sure that you are subscribed. I want to share this all with you guys. I'm super excited because thanks to YouTube, I found out like all the things that I love, not just YouTube, but also Instagram and Pinterest and all that. So this is the hallway. It's a pretty lengthy hallway. It may stay bare, I don't know, because I feel like if I put too many things on the wall, then it closes off the area. But this is now our laundry room. It's a laundry closet and it's double doors, and this washer and dryer came with the apartment, which is okay. It's not like something that I would have bought, but this is just a simple laundry closet. And up top, I'm probably going to put some wicker bins and store everything there. But we'll see. You know, this is just an empty apartment right now. There's still a lot to do. So if you go to the left from the laundry room, you're going to see me and my husband's room right there in front of you. So that's what I'm going to show you right now. My niece and nephew are here. This was the first day we got the keys and they rode their bikes over here. Yes, I live super close to my brother and sister-in-law because I babysit, and it was just like, we love this area. Anyways, so this is our room. It's actually pretty big. I don't know the actual room size, but our closet is also big. It's a nice walk-in closet, and I have my hat already in there. And then in each closet and the bathrooms, you'll see like these bags that are hanging up. They're humidity bags, and so I have those up because I read reviews from this apartment complex that some people said there was mold growing on their clothes and things like that. And I figured I can prevent that from happening for me if I just went ahead and did the humidity bags. But anyways, that's our closet, our room, and this is like the entryway. I think in this entryway I'm probably gonna put a mirror. I'm not too sure. It's just like so small and tight, but it leads to our master bathroom, and we have this open linen closet shelving thing that isn't wide enough to maybe store bins. I'm not too sure what I'm gonna do with that yet, you guys. I wonder if I can change the shelving out or do something to it. But then we have a double sink vanity, which I love. I think me and my husband like our separate spaces because my husband then when he not shaves his beard, but when he comes out his beard, there's hair all in the sink, and I'd rather not see that, and I don't feel like cleaning it up every day. I think he needs to learn to clean up his mess. But anyways, yeah, this is our bathroom. It's really big. It's a decent size, or I say everything is like really big because, you know, when you think of apartments, you think of small and a tight knit place, but this apartment is pretty spacious. The only thing I feel like that's small is the living room, which you guys will see later on in the video. But, you know, a simple bathroom. And then if you walk back down the hallway where I took you to the laundry room, you'll find the kids' bathroom right across from that. And it's such a simple bathroom, and I love it because it's so simple, because it's just for kids and guests. And then after you walk past the bathroom and the laundry room, to the right, you have the girls' room, which they're going to be sharing. And it's a really good size. Like, you can fit the 2 twin beds in there, an extra table, a TV stand, toys. And then they have this massive walk-in closet for themselves also. It's probably like maybe half the size of what me and my husband has in our room. But I'm thinking we can utilize this as a play area for them and a closet. I don't know, we'll see where it goes, but the room is a pretty decent size. And then when you walk out, like I said, that's the laundry closet right there. And then go to this side and we have CJ's bedroom, and it's a really good size. I think this size is like a standard room size, and it's so good for him because it's just him in here, and it will hold his bed. We're actually gonna go ahead and get him a full-size bed. Right now he has a twin in there, but we're gonna upgrade him to a full. And he has right now like a TV stand and another cubicle section thing and a chair, and he still has so much space. I know putting a full-size bed in here will limit his space, but he doesn't like play with toys and stuff like that, so I guess it will be good. And then he has a pretty standard closet. I guess a standard closet would like be cut off right where the doors open or whatever, but his is like a little bit extended, and so he has good storage space and you know, a good closet space, at least for a boy that doesn't have too many things. And he has a chest of drawer in his room, so most of his stuff goes in there. The only thing we hang in his closet is a t-shirt. And so this is the hallway now that you can better see. To the left is the bathroom, to the right is the laundry room, which I'm showing you right now, and then the kids' room behind me. And then this is our kitchen. It's super simple, and it overlooks the living room, and the living room is like the smallest space in our apartment. And I guess it's okay since everybody has their own space that the living room is super small. In our previous apartment, our living room was humongous and we loved it, but I think having this tight knit space for our living room is okay. We literally had to sell our sectional because it just wouldn't fit in here, and we downsized to just a sofa and some extra chairs. But I love that the kitchen sink overlooks the living room for entertaining. It's super great for it. But that is it, you guys. Like, this house tour is so simple, and it's nothing extra. It's a place for us to live and call home until we are ready to buy a house, or maybe go in with my brother or my sister-in-law and buy land and build a house. Who knows what the future holds? We're just still trying to figure out, so we decided to rent another apartment again. But I hope you guys loved what our apartment, whatever. And y'all know, if you've been watching me for a while, like, I don't perfect my voiceovers. I just talk and talk, and that is it, you guys. Like, I'm not gonna give you guys a perfection thing because I'm not perfect, and I'd rather just be myself and talk on here. And now I'm just rambling. But I hope you guys like this house tour. If you have any suggestions on what we can do with certain spaces and different rooms, just let you know. My theme is modern bohemian theme, boho. I like neutral colors with the pops of green and wood. And you guys will later on see what I have going on. I think coming up first will probably be decorate the living room with me, because I think that's a main space, and I'd rather just go ahead and knock that out. So make sure that you are subscribed to this channel and you have your bell notification turned on so you can be notified when I upload my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, tuning in, and joining, this journey with me. Subscribe, support your girl, and I'll see you guys in another video. Peace out.